Hi there, this is Marissa, and I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you today. Today I'm using a bunch of different papers and elements designed by Elif. I'll leave a link to her store down below. And this is just a few of her different kits that I've stuck together here. I don't know if they're all Christmas themed. I think this might be a Christmas themed layout, so some of her Christmas kits. I do enjoy using her designs, although her kits are a bit more minimalist than I am, so I often combine a few together to get the amount of things that I need to finish a layout. So this left side is just kind of a general daily life page. I mean, I guess it's actually technically Thanksgiving. And then the right side is more Christmas. So I think I'm going to try to make one side Christmas and one side less Christmas, if that makes sense. So I've put some of the holiday themed cards on the right side, and then on the left side I'm going with the more non-themed patterns and cards and elements, I think, once we get down to it. I'm just working here at trying to get the balance of the papers right. I'm looking at balancing, dark papers and light papers, as well as busy papers with more simple papers, so it's a lot to consider to get the balance right, but I think I've got something here that I'm happy with. And I'm going to start adding in the elements. We'll see how many Joy tags I put on here. My son's middle name is Joy, so Christmas kits are extra useful for me, so I can always include those Joy tags, whether it's Christmas or not. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.